I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how hard you work on yourself. There are moments in life when things just don't go right. Moments when anything that can happen will happen. Life happens. The unexpected, the uncalled for, the unintentional. We all carry scares, emotional, spiritual, physical. Maybe it's your business that's struggling. Maybe your heart is broken. Maybe your bank account is screaming that you are broke. You can break physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And yes, every break leaves a mark. But here's the truth: that mark can either be the mark of defeat or the mark of victory. It's how you stay with the breaking, how you move through it, that produces the blessing. It's not what happens to you that determines where you end up, it's who you listen to. Right now, you're walking through a valley of two choices. One is wisdom, the other is worry. One is gratitude, the other is grumbling. One is blame, the other is faith. Every time you break, you have a choice: give up or rise stronger. Every challenge is an opportunity to get smarter, tougher, faster, more resilient, more stable, more better. Find a reason to keep going. If you can find that reason, I promise you, you are strong enough. You are human, and every human has what it takes to overcome anything they decide to face. Push through. Push through tragedy, and trials come to everybody, but only the strong survive. This fight isn't over. The fight has only just begun. Look at whatever going wrong in your life right now. Look it in the eye and say, I can beat this. I will beat this. I must beat this. My life isn't over. I have got people to live for. I am not done yet. Some battles don't need degrees. Some battles don't need money. Some battles don't need anyone else to support you. Some battles are won simply because you refuse to quit. Nothing can stop you except you. No situation, no circumstance, no trial can define who you are. Never let life define you. I'm not retreating. I'm not running. I don't care what the odds say. We live by what we believe. We stand by what we fight for. And we die defending what matters. And the world will see who we truly are. You have staying power. You have resilience. Be encouraged today. No matter how broken your marriage is, no matter how many times you have failed, there is a spirit within you, greater than any obstacle around you. If you fight your way through cancer, through heartbreak, through career struggles, through academic battles, if you fight your way through the storm, victory will come. As you rise from the depths, as you emerge from the pain, as you take shape as who you were meant to be, you will see that in the very act of standing, in the very act of fighting, you remain unbroken. You are unbreakable. You are unstoppable. You are alive. And your time is now.